Halloween has become one of America's most commercial holidays. Here's some money-saving tricks and treats you can use. Many stores offer military discounts. Be sure to carry your military ID and ask for available savings. With the money you save, you can invest in higher quality decorations that will last for years. Did you know that candy prices often go down right before the holiday? Don't forget to use coupons, shop at the commissary, and limit the amount of candy you give per child. We all know store-bought costumes can be expensive and lack in quality. With a little creativity, you can put together some amazing looks using supplies you already have around the home. You can also swap costumes. Trade last year's outfits in exchange for someone else's. For more information on Halloween savings, please visit our website.